With the holidays upon us, I know a lot of us are traveling home for the holidays. Today I'm going to show you a capsule wardrobe and how to pack it into just a carry-on. First things first, a neutral palette is very important, so it's easy to mix and match your pieces. Let's start with a building block of a simple dark denim jean. A great piece to take you from Christmas to New Year's is a simple jumpsuit. I love the idea of pairing this with a boot to keep it more casual and a moto jacket, and then I also brought in a metallic heel. Next up, you can never go wrong with a simple black cami. This one's extra cute with the lace detailing. A turtleneck in forest green will look great with either jeans or the simple black pant that you're going to travel in. I love the idea of winter whites. Another great hack, put all of your socks in your tennis shoes to save room on bulk. A simple gold stiletto to dress up any of your looks. I've also added in this adorable plaid piece. Just imagine this plaid poking out of the winter white sweater I picked. And as for the rest, try to wear all of your bigger, bulkier layers on your body on the airplane. And just like that, you're good to go.